is the flowchart to find out the prime number. Okay. The start, I input n, then we are defining a variable I equals to 2. Okay. Just 1 minute. Here we define I equals to 2 each. So, suppose I am taking a value 5. Okay. So I will check whether the 5 is a prime number or it is not a prime number.
Or not.
So I is equals to 2 each. 2 is less than equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means it is 2.25. Okay. Or it is 2. Now 2 is equals to
2 is not.
Okay, 2 is less than equals to n by 2.
Yes.
2 is equals to 2. Yes. Then each n modulo I, 5 modulo I means 5
5 modulo I means
5 divisible by 2, remainder is 0.
no.
That is no. Then I is equals to I plus.
डिविजन ପାଇଁ परसेंटेज यूज होची
नहीं रिमाइंडर बाहर करिया पे परसेंटेज यूज करा दो. Okay.
अच्छा.
5 modulus 2 is equals to 0. The condition is false. Means no.
No.
Then previously I value is what? 2. Now 2 plus 1 is what? 3.
3.
Now it comes to here.
माने two is less than 3.
2 is less than is 3.
Yes.
This 6 modulo 2 is equal to 0.
Modulo 2 yes 0.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Just every question you want, but where it is depend upon you. Where you connect, that is depend upon you. Not a chapter. Chapter में more full concept here. What your schooling or use training come to A variable refers to a memory location that can store only one value at a time. Okay, so it is a memory location which is store only one value at a time, but can vary throughout the program execution. So when you take the input from a user, you have to store the value in some location. So that is called as the word variable. Okay, the variable is a memory location where you have to store the value, and throughout the program execution, variable value has changes. Okay, constant refer to a memory location that hold a value which remain fixed throughout the program execution. Okay, so constant means like if you find out the area of the circle like pi r square. Okay, the pi is what 3.14. That is a pi value
3.1.
pass. So that value never be changes. A constant refers to a memory location that hold a value which remain fixed throughout the program execution.
Program execution.
Okay.
Sir, example ଆମେ କଣ ନେଇ ପାରିବା?
କଣ କହିଲ?
example ରେ ଆମେ କଣ ନେଇ ପାରିବା? ମାନେ constant ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ example ରେ.
Pi is a constant value. It will never changes. 3.14.
ଆଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ variables ଆଉ constant ଏଗୁଡା actually କୋଉଥିରେ ଲାଗିବ? ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ program କୁ execute କରୁଥିବ ସେଇଠି ଲାଗିବ.
When you take the input from a user and when you want to store some value, for storing a value you require a memory location. So that memory location is called as the variable. Okay, so the variable value is changes throughout the program execution. Okay. Suppose we define the two memory location. Okay, memory means
Yes,
what? Suppose when I trying to add a two number, I'm giving you, okay, I'm defining two location A and B. So you store 10 and 20, so it gives you 30 result. When I am giving value, then I will give 40 and 60. So that is depend upon. Okay, so that variable value changes.
So जो input टा हमें नोचा ସେଇଟା होचे variable.
हाँ, input नहीं कि हमें जोड़ी store करिवा.
हाँ, input नहीं कि जोड़ी store करिवा ସେଇଟା होचे variable. माने variable.
And some variable will take the value that is constant. It will never changes. So that is called the constant.
हो. जेमति कि हमें पूर्व रे I equal to 2 नहीं थिले सेटा को constant हमें कॉल करिया I guess.
हाँ. So consider an example of a program that accepts two numbers and display their sum. The program needs three variables that to store the number of enter by the user, and one to store the sum of two numbers. Okay, so we have a program that will accept the two number and it is giving you the result. For storing the two value, we require the two memory location. One is first number, another is second number. Okay. The two variable were created and it will display in a result. So the result will be so in a sum. So for this program, we are defining three variables. One is first number, second number for storing the two value. Another is for so sum is used.
Addition sum.
Okay. User କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ database ରେ store କରିବା. The program through रे ଆମେ database रो data को retrieve
इसके पॉइंट मैं जोन पास किया
giving you the sum of the result. See that it's not different number. 4560 okay.
जानी रहती जो 4560 4562 एट जानी रहती
that is depend upon the programming language सी तारा ऑटोमेटिक मशीन ने तारा मेमोरी एलोकेट करियो एटा हमको जानिबा किछ दरकार in this scenario which one is the variable and which one is a constant
ये सुडो कोटा में केमति लेखुतले जो स्टेट
that is a sudoku then you have to write a sudoku accept the product name and quantity as input product name quantity as input and display total price using the unit price is already stored in system consider what type of price kete
ओहो माने फिक्स्ड प्राइस टा जोटा सेटा ऑलरेडी स्टोर हे थिबो
हां and the product name and quantity and the price the three things we have to store quantity required so which one here variable and constant
the product name and the the product name quantity and the unit prices are constant and the total price is the variable
product name
product name and the
price is your constant
no
product name is variable one person can take any kind of product one person can take any kind of quantity and your total price will also different based upon that
then unit price is constant
yes.
and
other three are
only unit price is constant
okay
like yes sir
so when you define a variable then you have to decide what type of data that you have to store in a variable okay after defining a variable means you are creating a memory location then you have to define what type of data that you have to store okay so you can store the numeric data or character data your data is of two types one is numeric where you can store only numeric value, another is character. It
Numbers,
is combination of number and letters.
अच्छा हाँ
Okay.
अच्छा कैरेक्टर और नंबर भी आसियो
See there. In numeric you can store the number. In
Only
character,
number.
in a character you can store the number as well as the character. Then what is the difference? If you numeric value will store in a character, then what is the requirement of the data type numeric? So there is a one difference is that when you store any number in a character, you cannot perform any kind of arithmetical operation. Okay. Like room number 24. Okay. Lane number 6, lane number 8. So that is considered as a what? Character value. It is not a numeric value. Okay.
Yes sir.
When you declare a variable, it is essential to declare a variable so that memory is allocated. For allocating a memory, you have to declare a variable. While naming a variable, the following rule must be followed. So what type of rule we have to follow? It consists of a letters, digit or underscore. Okay, it consists of letter, digit or underscore.
Digits or underscore.
It must begin with a letter or underscore.
माने किसी भी.
But it should not be start with any number.
किसी भी letters लगे परियो.
But it should not be start with any number or any symbol, such as question mark, exclamatory, @ hash, $. Okay.
Yes sir. सर या पूर्वरु जोटा कहले आपण गोटे न्यूमेरिक आ गोटे कोन कहले character
numeric and character, there are two type of data
character.
In addition to the variable naming rule, you may consider the following variable name convention. A first letter of the variable may indicate the data type is used. So when you write N, that means it is represent a numeric value. When you write C, that represent it will store the character value. Okay. The variable name should clearly describe for its purpose. Okay, if you mention N, that means it will store the numeric value. If you store C, that means it will store the character value. Student name, that means it will store only roll number one. In the case of variable names, it's a multiple. Like cannot give send space name. White space is not allowed while you are defining a variable name. There is a requirement of space. You have to use underscore. Here we are not defining variable space name. हमें variable space name use कर लेंगे.
It starting also to call.
When we define a variable, the first variable name है. हमें जो तमें कहूँगा n mark, n age. That means sum. Sum will store the value of numeric value. If you write C product name, if you write small c product name, then it will store the string related or character related value.
String पुणे कौन?
Combination of letter is a string.
Yes sir.
Okay.
तो उसका मैं डिनोट कर दूँ small letter है ना?
Numeric start हो.
Small letter.
Capital small c.
Capital small c.
Yeah.
It will capitalize the letter of each word.
Capital A, then small g.
Oh, C पर जोड़ा में जो सही बात है.
इसमें जो n sum में
yes, capital S. हाँ सर मन पड़ा. मन पड़ा सर.
The variable name should clearly describe its purpose. you define age, if you define name only.
माने से नेम को सी लगे कैपिटल लिखले से एटा को स्टोर कर
No, age the variable name should really describe what. So I want to store a age. That means I am giving a name of variable as age.
ओहो
आप उसी लेकिन कारण में कैरेक्टर वैल्यू स्टोर करिवार अछि. ओके
माने गोटे वर्ड लेखिया आगरो गोटे डिनोट किछ गोटे कराबो सेटा मे बी हमर न्यूमेरिक हेतिबो कि मे बी कैरेक्टर हेतिबो आउ दो वर्ड लेखा स्टार्टिंग का कैपिटल सेटा
सब न्यूमेरिक मेंशन करिवा ये तापर जो वर्ड में स्टार्ट for the better readability. It is not compulsory. I mean, this small may be programmable, but as a good program, follow that kind of.
आउ हम लेखु छे कि वर्ड पर स्पेस की माने पेज देते मते स्पेस न दो
See third point is it कहला जे in the case the variable name consists of multiple words, the first letter of each word would be capitalized for better readability, and if you require kind of space, then you use underscore.
underscore.
Clear?
Yes sir.
Next class time how to initialize the value in a variable or assigning the value in a variable.